When it comes to home improvement, few projects offer as much impact as window replacement. New windows can enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase its overall value. However, ensuring that your window replacement project delivers these benefits hinges on one critical factor: professional installation. If you're a homeowner in Dallas considering window replacement, understanding why professional installation matters can save you time, money, and a host of potential headaches. Here's why it's worth entrusting this vital task to the experts. Precision matters. The challenge of window installation. Window installation is a complex process requiring precise measurements and careful handling. Each window must fit perfectly within its designated space to ensure optimal performance. Even the slightest misalignment can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, or uneven pressure that compromises the structural integrity of your home. In Dallas, where weather conditions can swing from scorching summers to unexpected winter chills, poorly installed windows can magnify issues like heat loss, energy inefficiency, and higher utility bills. Professional installers have the tools, training, and experience to handle these challenges, ensuring a seamless fit and durable performance. Expertise ensures energy efficiency. The energy efficiency is a top concern for Dallas homeowners. With the city's hot climate and rising energy costs, having energy-efficient windows is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. However, even the best energy-efficient windows can underperform if not installed correctly. Professional installers understand the intricacies of modern window technologies, including low emissivity, low-E coatings, gas fills, and insulated frames. They ensure these features work as intended by properly sealing gaps, positioning windows for maximum thermal efficiency, and adhering to manufacturer specifications. Compliance with local building code. Dallas, like many cities, has specific building codes and regulations for window installation. These codes are designed to ensure the safety, functionality, and energy efficiency of residential and commercial properties. Non-compliance can result in fines, delays, or the need for costly corrections. Professional window installers are well versed in local codes and permitting requirements. By hiring experts, you can have peace of mind knowing your project is in full compliance, avoiding unnecessary complications and ensuring your home remains up to standard. Durability and longevity. High-quality windows are a significant investment, and proper installation is essential to protect that investment. Poorly installed windows are more prone to problems like frame warping, glass cracks, or seal failure, which can lead to costly repairs or replacements. Dallas's unique climate, characterized by intense sun exposure, heavy rains, and occasional storms, demands durable windows that can withstand these conditions. Professional installers are trained to secure windows in ways that prevent damage from environmental factors, extending the life of your windows and maximizing your return on investment. Warranty protection. Most window manufacturers offer warranties covering defects in materials and workmanship. However, these warranties often require professional installation as a condition for coverage. DIY installation or hiring unqualified contractors can void these warranties, leaving you unprotected if issues arise. By choosing professional installation, you safeguard your warranty coverage. Expert installers provide documentation and follow manufacturer guidelines, ensuring you can rely on warranty protection if needed. Enhanced aesthetic. Windows are a prominent architectural feature of your home, and their appearance can greatly influence its overall look. Professional installers not only focus on functionality but also on aesthetics. They ensure windows are level, aligned, and seamlessly integrated with your home's design. This attention to detail enhances curb appeal and adds value to your property. Time and stress-saving. Window installation can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive project, especially for those without experience. Attempting a DIY approach or hiring inexperienced installers can lead to delays, mistakes, and added stress. Professional installers streamline the process, handling everything from removing old windows to cleanup after installation. Their expertise allows them to complete the job efficiently, minimizing disruptions to your daily routine. Why Dallas homeowners should choose professionals? Dallas is a city of extremes, extreme heat, occasional severe weather, and a thriving real estate market. Investing in professional window installation ensures your home is equipped to handle these challenges while maintaining its value and energy efficiency. When you choose professional installers, you're not just paying for labor, you're investing in peace of mind, long-term savings, and the beauty and comfort of your home. For Dallas homeowners looking to replace their windows, professional installation isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Don't leave your window replacement project to chance. Trust the experts to deliver the quality, precision, and care your home deserves.